In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail with a glow effect in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, eye-catching design that stands out in the feed and is ready to use on your channel. Start by heading to Canva and creating a new design. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and select the preset size. This ensures your canvas is the correct 1280 by 720 pixels, which is the standard size YouTube expects and helps your design look crisp on all devices. With your blank canvas ready, set the background first. Click on the canvas and change the background color. You can go with a solid color for a clean, minimal look, or pick a gradient for more depth and energy. Choose colors that contrast well with your subject and text so everything remains legible at a glance. Next, upload the image you want to feature. Drag it into the design, then select it and click BG Remover. Canva will automatically remove the background, isolating your subject so it pops. Once it's processed, resize the subject by dragging the corner handles, making it large enough to be the focal point without crowding the frame. Reposition it where you want. Off-center compositions often look dynamic and leave space for text. With the subject selected, click Edit. Then open the Shadows panel. Choose Glow. This is where the effect comes to life. Change the glow color to match or complement your background and brand. Then adjust the intensity using the available controls, typically size, transparency, and blur. A slightly larger, softer glow often reads well on small screens. Keep tuning the settings until the edge around your subject feels vibrant but not overpowering. After applying the glow, nudge and reposition the image again if needed to maintain balance, and leave room for your headline. Now add your text. Click Text, then add a heading, and type your thumbnail title. Keep it short, bold, and benefit-driven, so viewers immediately understand the value of your video. Change the text color to maximize contrast with the background. If your background is dark, go light. If it's bright, go darker. Finally, change the font to something bold and readable at small sizes. Avoid overly thin or ornate styles. Clarity is key for thumbnails. Give everything a quick look. Strong contrast, clean edges, balanced layout, and a glow that makes your subject stand out. That's it. Your YouTube thumbnail with a glow effect in Canva is ready.